Hi, good afternoon. It's me, Alex, your sassy safety girl. Today we continue with our safety training, and our students already had a lot of information. They've been working on the forms. They are preparing DQ files, company policies, and today actually it's going to be intense class because today we're gonna be talking about safety measurement system. Well, for all of us, we need to stay safe on the road. We need to make sure we know the regulations, and we need to know what we need to do if we have violations, how we can improve safety, what measures to take. We're going to be talking today about data queue. We're also going to be talking about how to fight violations and how to improve safety. So guys, stay safe on the road, and hopefully I'm going to see you in the next class. I know a lot of people did not sign up because of the times were not working for them, or they learn about it too late. We're going to have a class in January, so please make sure to enjoy us, especially new carriers. You will need to be ready for the first audit, and it's a lot of things you guys need to do correct right away. We need to be compliant. We have lots of regulations and resources out there. You just need to learn. You need to get some knowledge, and then you just need to apply it. And stay safe on the road. Make sure your drivers are following the rules. And I'm here again about to teach the class. I enjoy teaching class, and I would love you to join us for the next dispatch class, IFTA class, safety class, webinar. If you are looking for insurance for your company, cargo liability, as well as your personal life insurance, I will be more than happy to help you out. And also factoring and fuel program, we can help you out, and we're gonna make sure that you guys are getting the best rates and you are making profit in trucking. And hear me again, Alex. I'm going back to teaching, and hopefully to see you soon. Thank you to all my students. Yesterday we just started a new dispatch class, and I am more than pleased with the performance and attitude, and very, very, very proud teacher. So thank you. Enjoy your Sunday, and we're gonna be working hard on compliance, safety, and accountability, because someone needs to be accountable for all the procedures, for all the policies, for all the forms, and your office should have someone who is trained, who has enough knowledge, because safety is number one. Without safety, you guys cannot get good loads. Without safety, you have high turnover for the drivers. Without safety, you are at risk losing your company or get shut down by the federal government. And also, guys, it's not smart not to pay attention to your safety, because data shows companies that do not pay attention to safety, that are not following the regulations, they are losing the business. And it might take you months or two, or maybe a few years. You might be lucky, but believe me, things catching up to you if you're not compliant. So please educate yourself, stay safe, and sign up for our next class in January. Thank you. I'll see you soon. You're a sassy safety girl. Happy Sunday.